Hello guys, today we got a little bit of a different video for you. I want to talk about preventative maintenance. Specifically what I'm talking about is window regulators. As a lot of you know, there are some manufacturers that are known for window regulator failure. This is, when you try to pull the window up, it starts moving sideways and eventually it doesn't even work, doesn't go up, but the motor still makes a sound. It's very typical for a lot of German manufacturers. I've changed so many of them. It's gotten to a point where on certain vehicles I expect for them to fail eventually, especially if the windows are tinted. So today we're going to go over a simple way you can prolong the life of your existing window regulator. And it won't prevent it from failing, but it will make it last longer essentially. So let's get to it. So unlike a lot of other videos that we post, this is a very simple procedure that anyone can do. If you have two arms, you can see straight, you can do this job. Only thing you need is a cloth like this microfiber cloth and silicone spray. Something like this, doesn't have to be the same thing. As long as it's a silicone spray, that's all you need. Take our little silicone spray, spray it on our rag, and get in between the weather stripping. So as you can tell, all we really did is spray some of the silicone stuff into the weather molding. That should help free up the window and make it slide up and down a little easier and prolong the life of your window regulator. You want to use it sparingly. You don't want to get it on the window and the paintwork. If you do, it's no big deal. Just wipe it down. You could also use this on different electrical connections, like stuff that, if you're gonna disconnect some harness or something like that, just spray a little bit inside, and next time you go to disconnect it, it'll come off that much easier. So this stuff is very useful. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.